Hey everyone, it's Kay and you're watching Kelly's vlog. So this video will be another unboxing video on this channel, and this is an unboxing video of the merchandise or the merches from TNE Merchandise, the official store of AMNSE merches by Eatmore2behappy or LARAPHILE from Wattpad. And as you can see here, this is the parcel or the packages that I will be unboxing. Actually, dalawa na lang kasi etong isa nabuksan ko na siya and nalagyan ko na cover as you can see. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. So for the first one, this would be AMNSE Book 1 and Book 2 or ang Mutya ng Section E Book 1 and Book 2. This is from Ate Vay or the person behind FERNANDEZ. If you can hear, if you're familiar on TikTok, she is the person behind those AMNSE POVs, if you're familiar with that. So yeah, as you can see, may mga cover na siya because dumating to sa akin last September, and nag-annotate na din ako ng book since nire-read ko na siya sa physical books. And I haven't read the book 2 since I'm not yet finished with book 1. So yeah, maybe next time. But since malapit na yung second sem sa amin, hindi ko alam. And also, it comes with two bookmarks and the package list with Ate Vay's message. I hope nababasa niyo siya. And if not, it says here na happy birthday, Kelly, love you, love Ate Vay. And for the next one, this is my first box of TNE merchants or yung sa AMNSE merches, and nasilip ko na siya kasi last August, mas nauna ata to sa book. But then, it says here, it's just free, thank you card. Thank you so much, okay. Good luck sa college life. And my name, here, my name is here. I don't know if you read it. And this one is nakalagay TNE or Tropa ni Eatmore2behappy. So, as you open it, yan. Then, let's open it. So, ayan. Yan yung mga makikita. So, nahulog na siya. So, open natin. So, it is a PHOTOCARDS. It is JJ, si David, si Lola David, si Mark Kiefer Watson, and si Yuri. Lastly, na individual is si Kiko. If you know Kiko, di ba siya yung nagka-crush kay spoiler alert. So, and the last piece is this one, yung Higher Valley International School, na 5 sila kasi nakat lang si Yuri and si Kiko. So, yeah. One set of PHOTOCARDS is 6. 5 individual and then 1 yung group sila. Pero recently, naglabas ata sila ng holographic na version at saka yung may version na PHOTOCARDS ni Ate Lara. So, yeah. So, it also comes with how many? 22. Actually, alam ko 24 ito. Pero baka namigay ko na yung dalawa. So, yeah. It's two-tone, which is blue. and yung coffee, yung brown or coffee na tone. So, dalawang set ng bookmarks yung napunta sa akin. Hindi ko na iisa-isahin, pero mag-flash na lang ako dito ng image ng mga photocards. So, for the next one, it is a photocard din. Tama ba? Photocard? Oo, photocard or postcard. Ha? Basta yun. So, ayun, si Yuri and si JJ, as you can see, ayun sila. And this one is David. Actually, ayan, if hindi nyo makita, that's the ilaw. So, for the third item, it is stickers. This one is parang dialogue of the characters, and this one are some items that they used to mention in the story. So, it is a sticker pack. Sticker pack. So, yeah. So, this one is, I have my ways, Eatmore2behappy, Jasper Jean Mariano. The next one is sticker pack ulit, the second pot of stickers, which is the object that had been mentioned in the story. So the first one is mine. KK Ferranandez. Tapos, Wala to Dance from Reindeer. If you read the story, you'll know it. So yeah, this one is the blackboard with ang Mutya ng section P, and then baseball. So that is for the second sticker. The next one is the banner. Nakalagay ang Mutya ng section E, and then Yuri Hanamiki. Moving forward with the things that I really bought in that store is that this tote bag. Actually, I'll show you. So this is the tote bag. Ganito siya kalaki. It says here, LARAPHILE. LARAPHILE. Person who loves the author of ang Mutya ng section. It actually a good quality tote bag, but it's smaller than the usual tote bag that we used. So, but it has zipper. It's a zipper. It's a zipper. So, yeah. So, next is this bucket hat. It says here, Fernandez. If you know the Fernandez, it's Angelo with my bias in all the characters in AMNSE. Pero nung una, kay Yuri talaga, siya talaga yung bias ko for JJ. But then, as I read the season 1, season 2, and the last season, which is the final battle of AMNSE, I've changed my mind. I've choose to be play safe with Angelo. Well, I guess cool and serious guys are attractive to me. So yeah, this one. So ayan, ganyan siya pag sinuot. Then, mainit. The last one, actually, it's the last item on the box, on the first box. This is a t-shirt. It says here, Higher Valley International School, which is the HPIS na school nila JJ or ng mga ulupong. So, yeah. I got my t-shirt with the size of large. Yeah, guys, I'm large. Pero may allowance pa to sa akin. Dapat medium lang talaga, pero sabi ko, mas maganda pag maluwag. So So for the last one, it is a package also from E&E, and I've ordered it last December. Mga holiday promo nila. And I'll be opening it right now. So, it comes with a ribbon, and then nakalagay thank you. I don't know if you can see it, but it says here, thank you for your kindness, and my name at the back. I don't know if you can see it, but there's my name. Okay, I'll be showing it into you first. Another sticker and book. Actually, naalala ko na this wasn't the holiday promo of T&E. This is actually the mystery box of T&E merch. There is actually two options, the mystery box A and mystery box B, which cost for 500 and 700 and plus the SF. So, nakita ko na. Hindi na siya mystery, nakita ko na siya. Ayan na. So, the first thing is that we have sticker. Another sticker, nakalagay ang Mutya ng section E, tas Eatmore2behappy from Wattpad, and then some stickers. So, for the next item, this would be a photo card. Mas maganda yung quality nitong bagong release nila, and compared with the first, yun nasa first box, mas nag-improve, and mas parang ayun na, mas naging parang medyo parang plastic-like yung texture niya, and hindi walang, alam mo yun, hindi faded yung color, so nag-i-improve. So the next thing, so it also comes with thank you letter din pala. Then, advance Merry Christmas from at Kate. Kasi nga, I told you na it's month of December nang dumating. So, the next one is another PHOTOCARDS. I told you, yung mas recent nila, iiba yung quality. Kasi yung most recent, yung holiday special nila is holographic na yung photocard na pinoprovide ng T&E merch. And this one, parang matte-like yung texture. And it is Yuri, Anamichi, and then David Brazelton. I don't know if it can focus with it. And then ito is then yung likod, kanina yung likod, kung ano yung nasa harap, ayun din nasa likod. But then, this time, may name na ng story. And I like the quality of it. I don't know if it's paper or it turns into plastic. Like, yung parang mga mas manipis lang siya sa ATM card. But, the quality improved. Yes. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below for content suggestion. And I'd like to thank you, Ate Kate, for accommodating me for all the freebies. As you can see on the first box, grabe yung freebies. Iba ka, Ate Kate, and Miss Lara for creating this amazing masterpiece. Sobrang nakaka-motivate, sobrang nakakatawa. Alam mo yung stress relieving yung story, kahit na medyo mahaba siya, but it's worth to read. And also for Ate Faye for giving me the book 1 and book 2 of AMNSE. Sobrang thankful ko kasi tagal ko na siyang binasa pero hindi ko siya binibili kasi sabi ko, well, minsan talaga tama yung pakiramdam. Charot. And I'd like also to promote my Wattpad account. It's at _Kelly Writes on Wattpad, and I am currently writing my first series, and it is called the Serendipity series, with the first installment entitled as The Serendipitous Love, Not the Usual Epitome of Love. And I also have this 2 compilation of fanfiction. I hope you support me and follow me on Wattpad. And yeah, hope you stay safe, take care, and bye.